Many asylum seekers released at the Texas-Mexico border are getting treated for illnesses. Some get sick before crossing the border, while others become ill in Border Patrol custody. Tonight, border reporter Oscar Margain is in McAllen, where volunteers and local organizations are stepping in to help the sick and fill a void left by the federal government.
One after the other, immigration buses pull up and drop off dozens of asylum-seeking families in front of the Catholic Charities Respite Center in McAllen, Texas. It's been common practice since the start of the Central American exodus in 2014. However, the rate in which these buses are unloading migrants is notably higher, and it's taxing the ability of local charities to care for them.
There has been some medical concerns about is there enough help, what do they need?
Hidalgo County Health Administrator Eddie Olivares says they are monitoring the situation with volunteer physicians, pediatricians, and nurses constantly screening men, women, and children.
There hasn't been any major communicable disease or infectious disease outbreak. The thing we did notice was an upkick in respiratory infections, which may have been flu-related or similar to flu.
Ahí en el albergue hay demasiados niños. Los niños enferman más.
Elvin Arqueta says there are too many children who are sick at the shelters. The 25-year-old Honduran battled a cold while his 4-year-old daughter suffered from an ear infection. The shelter gave them medication to take with them on their long ride to Pennsylvania. Others aren't so lucky.
Our CVP folks there are about 57 hospital visits a day. That's not indicative of how many people are sick. It's how many people are very seriously sick.
4 migrants have reportedly died in Border Patrol custody in the last 4 months, including a 7- and an 8-year-old. In a visit to McAllen Thursday, Homeland Security Secretary Kirstjen Nielsen pointed to a system overcapacity.
The problem right now, it goes from the federal government to the state government.
Texas Congressman Henry Cuellar is referring to millions he helped appropriate in 2014 to reimburse local entities at the border. Money, he says, the state has spent on other programs. In McAllen on the Texas-Mexico border, Oscar Margain reporting.